The reason I said that I'm gonna do stop motion, but I never do them because first of all, I'm not using a Leo camera. I'm using a cell phone. Look. Second, I need to collect some more figures. Like, you see Wheeljack? He's not gonna be cute. I actually think he should be Dino because here's a nice like sports car mode. Dino, he's like a Ferrari kind of mode. And also because he has like those blades there, you look at it, wrist blades, and also because he has some swords. Also like his head sculpt, and I think he should be Dino. So then yeah, he'll be Dino. And in time I'll make the stop motion. Probably in like a few months when I actually get a camera. And also eat this one. Also, I think the Admiral could have just done it real simple and just remove the head and just colored him red and don't put that. And then the gap on his leg, because he shrewd it in. Don't put any swords. And just put a different head and then just color Mirage there. Easy as that. And this is Cobra 93.